So hey guys, it's KB here and you're watching kbeditingzone. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you the transition through window. You can do this with any shape that has a definite geometrical pattern. So now without any delay, let's get started. So open Kinemaster application. So now add your media. So I'm adding an image that has a house and a window in it. So now after adding, let's adjust the image. So go to the pan and zoom option and I will adjust the image at the beginning position. So now after that, let's go to the end and now you have to zoom in like this. So you have to zoom in through the window, so you can see on the screen. So try to place it in the center so it will be smooth and nice. So you have to zoom to the maximum. So this is the maximum point. So now let's play and watch it. So it's okay. Now let's increase little length of this image. So I will make about 6 seconds. So now we'll add shape. So let's go about 3.5 seconds and add a shape. So I have created this square shape from pixel lab. So you can also create like this. So you have to choose a unique color. So I have chosen here the green color. So now you can crop and adjust the shape properly. So now let's expand the timeline. And now we will use key animation to animate this shape. So select the image and animate. So now add a key point here. And now zoom in the shape. So now let's move further ahead and add another key. And now let's zoom in the shape again. So you have to follow this procedure again and again to animate the shape. So it is better to create a shape in pixel lab because you can see you can have a larger area to manage it properly. So if you use an background image from the Kinemaster, then you will not have this handlebar to properly adjust. So it will be easier if you create shape in pixel lab. So you can animate like this. So you can check it once, is it okay or not. So in my case it's perfect. So after that you can export this video. So after exporting this, go back and now create a new project. So now add the exported video. Now go to the position from where we added the shape. So in my case it is about 3.5 seconds. So split at this position. Now you can increase the speed of that last part and it will have a nice transition at the end. So it will go slowly at the beginning and it will go fast at the end. So now export this again. So after that you can delete everything. Now add the media. So I have added one video. Now I will trim some part of the video to make it short. So after that, go to the beginning and go to the layer option and add the exported video that we created recently. So after that you can feed this to screen. So now again go to the position from where we added a shape. So in my case it is about 3.5 seconds. So the reason behind splitting at this position is you can see there is some green plants. So if you use chroma key, that will be also affected. So it is better to split at this position and use chroma key. So after that you can choose the green color and adjust the chroma key properly. So now let's add music to our video. So go to the audio option and add your desired music. So now let's trim up extra part of the audio. So now let's go to the media option and sticker option, and we will add this cinematic opening sticker. So go to the frame section and scroll down, and you will find the cinematic opening frames. So you have to download this frame and add this frame, so it will give cinematic look to your video. So increase the duration of this frame and make it till the end. So now our video look like this. So now let's adjust some settings. So go to the setting option and video, and turn on the video fade out and choose duration of 0.50 second, and also turn on the audio fade out and choose duration of 0.50 second. So now let's add sound effect to our transition. So go to the position where you want to add sound effect. So then go to the audio and add the sound effect. So I will give the link of this sound effect in the description, so you can download and use it. So now our video is ready, so you can export this video. So if you like my content, you can leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and you can also check more editing tutorial playlist on the right. So thank you for watching.